Welcome to Understanding the Cash Flow Statement's 3 core business activities. Join us as we explore these financial concepts. Understanding cash flow activities is crucial for managing business finances effectively. Financing activities include borrowing and repaying debts, issuing stocks, and distributing dividends. This is vital for fueling your business's potential growth. Investing covers long-term buys like purchasing equipment or investing in other companies. Investing activities often involve cash outflows, but are key for sustaining operations and future profitability. Operating represents primary operations like sales and services. Operating activities reflect the core of what your business does, showing how day-to-day operations generate cash. Financing, investing, and operating activities have an interconnected relationship that impacts the overall cash position of the business. In the financing stage, we focus on strategies to attract investment and secure loans essential for business expansion. In the investing phase, effective asset management and reinvestment strategies can significantly boost operational capability. Operating tallies up cash from sales and expenses. Efficiency in operations allow you to maximize cash flow from day-to-day activities. It is important that we balance and manage each component effectively. The ultimate goal, ensuring your cash flow strategy leads to a healthy, thriving business. Thank you for watching our video on cash flow statement activities. We hope this has given you a clearer understanding of how to manage your business finances for success. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more educational content.